Our management's philosophy from day one with using the EBR was to get people to focus on the right things. What makes a quality product better is being able to focus on the work, not the paper.
Accuracy in staging is very critical. If we weigh out something incorrectly, if we overweigh or we underweigh, we can ruin a batch. With paper batch record, it's kind of difficult to track that down, do all your math, whereas in EBR, it does a calculation for you.
Well, now with the EBR, we have visual of what's happening on the line live status. We can see what's going on at all times.
The old system was all paper-based. Now it's all automated. So everything is within the same database that existed before. Now it's integrated to the system. That has caused us to have tablets. We put in some touch screens, monitors throughout the facility. We're pilot testing with a roving computer to see if there's value added for them to be able to do it on a real computer versus a tablet. Now the data that they were doing manually, writing it on paper, they're scanning. So now there's less errors. Typos, it's not legible, you put the wrong date, or you missed a signature, those are all gone. Now the end result is when they finalize the batch record and it gets ready for release and they do a release review of the product, it takes them way less time. And if they do find an error, the error is now able to be fixed with the production floor doing it from the floor. When the EBR is 100%, which means production has completed, Dock Control reviews the batch record. We had one released this morning, less than an hour after the batch record completed production, it was audited. So we've eliminated anywhere from 7 to 10 days out of a paper process.
One of the most valuable things that I found in the EBR for the corrections on the floor and the efficiency is that the mistakes, the errors, the corrections, all of those kind of things on the batch records that they've had in the past has gone away.
When we had corrections, I'm sitting down here at a corner, quality department's upstairs. So I gotta get up from my chair, have to go upstairs, and I have to fix just the number because it's not legible. Or a write over because their 6 looks like a G, and with EBR, that prevents that. 6 clearly looks like a 6.
Production and quality by nature have never got along. I think building this together has been a benefit. So a lot of the input that has come from production, quality sees value in it. And a lot of the stuff that quality has added to it, production sees value in it. So it kind of takes away that us against them mentality. We care. This company really cares about the quality of the product that we put out.